everyone, welcome to my channel The HowStation. My name is Tanvi and in today's video I've got a DIY for you guys. So in today's DIY I'm going to show you all how I made this tassel keychain. So I came across this recently on Pinterest while browsing for some craft items, and I thought that this is like really cool and plus it's so easy to make. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all how I made this tassel keychain. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. To begin with, I've got a red color thread. You can use wool if you want, and I've got this bill tag. You can use a credit card or maybe a rectangular piece of cardboard for this. Now I'm going to place one end of the thread on the tag and start wrapping the remaining on the tag, something like this. I'm going to wrap this around the tag for maybe 15 to 20 times. Once that is done, I'll take a tiny piece of another color. In my case, I'm using pink, and I'll put it in between the red thread and the tag like this. Then I'll bring it to the center and secure the loose ends with a knot or two. Then from the other side, I'll cut the excess red thread, and I'll also cut all the wraps of the red thread to separate the thread from the tag. Now I'll bring the knot of the pink thread under the red thread like this to hide it. And after that, I'll take another piece of pink thread, this time a bigger one, and start wrapping it close to the top of the red thread, something like this. I'll wrap the pink thread around the red thread again for maybe 10 to 15 times, and then I'll secure it with a few knots and cut the excess. Then I'll tie a knot on this pink thread as well on the top of here so that it stays in place. So this is how my tassel is going to look, and now I've got these beads over here, 2 gold and 2 reds, and now I'm going to start passing them through the pink thread one by one. After that, I need to tie a knot to secure the beads, but as you can see, the hole of this last bead is very big and a knot will be of no use. So I'm going to pass this white bead which has got a smaller hole through the thread, and then I will tie a knot to secure the beads in place. Almost done, and now I'll pass a key ring here, and as you can see, it has got this gap over here which I am not liking. So I'll cut this thread, bring the key ring closer to the beads and secure the key ring with a couple of knots on the thread. Then I'll cut the excess thread, and there you go, my tassel keychain is ready. Guys, that was how I made the tassel keychain. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a great day, take care, and goodbye.